students, 11th standard AB. Today topic is trigonometric identities. Sum and difference identities. The compound angles are algebraic sum of them two or more angles. Trigonometric functions do not satisfy the functional relation like f of x plus y is equal to f of x plus f of y, and f of kx is equal to k into f of x, where k is a real number. The identities are as follows. Number 1, sin alpha plus beta. Alpha and beta are the angles. Then sin alpha plus beta is equal to sin alpha cos beta plus cos alpha sin beta. Sin alpha minus beta is equal to sin alpha cos beta minus cos alpha sin beta. Cos alpha plus beta is equal to cos alpha cos beta minus sin alpha sin beta. Cos alpha minus beta is equal to cos alpha cos beta plus sin alpha sin beta. Tan alpha plus beta is equal to tan alpha plus tan beta divided by 1 minus tan alpha tan beta. Tan alpha minus beta is equal to tan alpha minus tan beta divided by 1 plus tan alpha into tan beta. Ex number 3.4, sum number 1. If sin x is equal to 15 divided by 17 and cos y is equal to 12 by 13, 0 is less than x less than 5 by 2, 0 is less than x less than 5 by 2. So this means the first quadrant. Okay, mention first quadrant. Number 1, find the value of number 1 sin x plus y, cos. Number 2 cos x minus y. Number 3 tan x plus y. Since x and y are lies between or lies in the first quadrant, why the 0 less than x less than pi by 2, 0 less than y less than pi by 2 is given. Therefore first quadrant. Draw a right angle triangle using given sin x, angle is x, then sin x is given 15 divided by 17. So sin means opposite side by hypotenuse to find the adjacent side. Next right angle triangle ABC, angle is y. Next adjacent side by hypotenuse is given. So cos y is given. Cos y is equal to 12 divided by 13 is given. Using Pythagoras theorem, find the opposite side. Take first diagram. By the Pythagoras theorem, BC square is equal to AC square, hypotenuse square whole square minus opposite side square. 17 square minus 15 square, 289 minus 225 is 64. Taking square root on both sides, we get BC is equal to 8. Take figure number 2. By the Pythagoras theorem, AB square is equal to AC square minus BC square. AC square is 13 square minus 12 square. 13 square is 169 minus 12 square is 144 is equal to 25. AB is equal to 25. Take figure number 1. Sin x is equal to, sin x means say opposite side by hypotenuse, 15 by 17. Next cos x is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse, BC divided by AC is 8 by 17. Tan x means sin x by cos x. Sin x is 15 divided by 17, cos x is 8 by 17. Cancelling these two 17, we get 15 divided by 8. Number 2, sin y is equal to AB by opposite side by hypotenuse, 5 divided by 13. Cos y is adjacent side by hypotenuse, 12 divided by 13. Tan y is equal to sin y divided by cos y, 5 divided by 13, 12 divided by 13 is equal to 5 by 12. Next, number 1, sin of x plus y. The expansion is sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. This is formula, some formula. Now sin x is 15 by 17, cos y is 12 by 13. Cos x is 8 by 17, sin y is 5 divided by 13. Now 15 12s are 180 divided by 17 3s 13s are 221 plus 8 5s are 40, 17 13s are 221. Same denominator. So LCM is 221. Numerator adding 180 plus 40, 220. Substitution number 2, cos of x minus y is equal to cos x cos y plus sin x sin y. This is formula. Apply cos x 8 by 17, cos y is 12 by 13, plus sin x 15 by 17, sin y 5 divided by 30, 96 divided by 221 plus 75 divided by 221. Adding numerator, denominators are same, therefore LCM is 221. Numerator 96 plus 75 is 171. Next, substitution number 3, tan of x plus y. Tan of x plus y, some formula tan x plus tan y divided by 1 minus tan x tan y. Apply tan x 15 by 8, tan y 5 divided by 12, whole divided by 1 minus 15 by 8 into 5 divided by 12. Now take LCM, we get 12 15s are 180 plus 8 5s are 40, whole divided by 96, whole divided by, taking LCM 96 minus 75 divided by 96. So 96 cancel, we get 220 divided by 21. 3. Find cos 6 minus 5. Given that cos x is equal to minus 4 by 5 with pi less than x less than 3 pi by 2 and sin y is equal to minus 24 divided by 25 with x is less than y less than 3 pi by 2, 270. Okay, since x lies between the interval or quadrant, third quadrant, cot x and tan x are positive in the third quadrant. So lies between, x lies between 180 and 270. Also y lies between the, y lies in the third quadrant. Cot y and tan y are positive. Now 180 less than y less than 270. Take first diagram. Cos x is 4 by 5 is given. So using the Pythagoras theorem, AB square is equal to, he wants to find AB square. So AB square is equal to AC square minus BC square. AC square is hypotenuse square whole square is pi square minus BC square 4 square. So 25 minus 16 is 9. AB is, take root on both sides, we get AB. AB is 3. Next, take diagram number 2. By the Pythagoras theorem, BC square is equal to, BC square means adjacent side whole square is hypotenuse side whole square minus opposite side whole square. Hypotenuse side whole square is 25 square minus 24 square. A plus B into A minus B formula using, we get 25 plus 24 into 25 minus 24 is equal to 49 into 1. Taking square root on both sides, we get 7. Expanding this formula, we get cos x cos y plus sin x is sin y. Cos x is minus 4 divided by 5. Sin cos y is minus 7 by 25 plus minus sin x is minus 3 by 5. Sin y is minus 24 divided by 25. Now product of these two first terms, we get 28 divided by 125. Second term, minus into minus positive, so 72 divided by 125. Same denominator 125. Numerator adding, we get 100. 100 divided by 125 means 4 divided by 425 are 100, 525 are 125. So 4 divided by 5 is answer. Next, sum number 5. Find the value of cos of 105 degree. Number 2, sin of 105 degree and tan of 75 divided by 12. First, cos 105 degree. Cos 105 degree can be written in the form of cos of 60 plus 45. We know that cos A plus B is equal to cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Using the formula, we get cos 60 cos 45 degree minus sin 60 is sin 45 degree. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. Cos 45 is 1 by root 2. Sin 60 is root 3 by 2. Sin 45 is 1 by root 2. Now 1 into 1. So 1 divided by 2 root 2 minus root 3 into 1 is root 3 divided by 2 root 2. So 1 minus root 3 divided by 2 root 2. It can be written in the form of sin of 60 degree plus 45 degree. Sin A plus B is sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Using the formula, we get sin 60 degree cos 45 degree plus cos 60 degree sin 45 degree. Here A is 60, B is 45 degree. So sin 60 is root 3 divided by 2. Cos 45 is 1 by root 2. plus cos 60 is 1 by 2, sin 45 is 1 by root 2. Now same denominator. Therefore 2 root 2 is denominator. Numerator adding root 3 and 1, we get root 3 plus 1. So root 3 plus 1 divided by 2 root 3 is answer. Next substitution number 3, tan 7 pi divided by 12. This is radian measure. First convert radian measure into degree measure. So tan 7 pi divided by 12 into convert degree measure. So 180 multiply 180 degree divided by pi. So pi cancel. 12 1 12 is 12, 15 12s are 180. So 7 into 15. 7 into 15 is 105. So tan 105. Tan 105 can be written in the form of sin 105 divided by cos 105. By substitution number 1 and 2, sin 105 is root 3 plus 1 divided by 2 root 2. Whole divided by substitution number 1, 1 minus root 3 divided by 2 root 2. Denominator of denominator cancelled. So 2 root 2 cancelled. Root 3 plus 1 divided by 1 minus root 3. Multiply numerator and denominator by 1 plus root 3. So 1 plus root 3, root 3 plus 1 are same. So root 3 plus 1 whole square or 1 plus root 3 whole square. Whole divided by a plus b, a minus b, a square minus b square. So a square is 1 minus 3, root 3 whole square is 3. So 1 plus b whole square, a square plus b square, 1 square plus root 3 whole square plus 2ab, 2 root 3. Okay. Now 1 plus 3 plus 2 root 3 whole divided by minus 2. 4 plus numerator, 4 plus 2 root 3 divided by minus 2. Numerator common 2, 2 of 2 plus root 3 divided by minus 2. 2 cancel, we get minus of 2 plus root 3 is answer. Hence tan 7 pi divided by 12 is minus 2 plus root 3. Next sum number 6, prove that cos 30 plus x is equal to root 3 cos x minus sin x divided by 2. Substitution number 2, cos pi plus theta is minus cos theta. Substitution number 1, LHS equal to cos 30 plus x. We know that cos a plus b is equal to cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. Using the formula we get cos 30 cos x minus sin 30 sin x. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2 cos x minus sin 30 is 1 by 2 sin x. Okay. Now whole denominators are same, therefore 2 is LCM. Numerator root 3 cos x minus sin x is RHS. Next substitution number 2, cos of pi plus theta. This is LHS. Take LHS. Cos a plus b is, we know that cos a plus b is cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. Using the formula we get cos pi cos theta minus sin pi sin theta. Cos pi is already known, 1 minus 1 cos theta minus sin pi is 0. Therefore 0 into sin theta is 0. 1 minus 1 into cos theta is minus cos theta. So minus cos theta is RHS. Hence the summon equation whose roots are sin 15 degree and cos 15 degree. Let the roots be sin 15 degree and cos 15 degree. Sum of the roots sin 15 degree plus cos 15 degree. Sin 15 degree can be written in the form of sin 45 minus 30 degree plus cos 15 degree means cos 45 minus 30 degree. We know that sin a minus b sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. Cos a minus b is cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. Using the formula we get the expansion. Now sin 45 is 1 by root 2. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Cos 30 is root 3 divided by 2 minus cos 45 is 1 by root 2. Sin 30 is 1 by 2 plus cos 45 is 1 by root 2, cos 30 is root 3 by 2, sin 45 is 1 by root 2, sin 30 is 1 by 2. Now the numerator 1 into root 3 minus 1 into 1 is 1 whole divided by same LCM, therefore 2 plus take second bracket 1 into root 3 is root 3 plus 1 whole divided by same denominator to root 2. The denominators are same, addition is an operation, therefore LCM is 2 root 2. Numerator root 3 plus root 3 is 2 root 3. Minus 1 plus 1 cancel. Okay. So 2 to cancel. Root 3 divided by 2. Multiply numerator and denominator by root 2. Numerator root 3 into root 2 is root 6. Denominator root into root is 2. Product of the roots sin 15 degree into cos 15 degree. Multiply 2, divide by 2. There is no changes. The numerator 2 sin A cos B means 2 sin theta cos theta is sin 2 theta formula. Therefore 1 by 2 into 2 sin 15 cos 15 is sin 30. 1 by 2 sin 30 is 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 is 1 by 4. Then quadratic equation. Quadratic equation is same x square. Our 10th standard syllabus, x square minus sum of the roots into x plus product of the roots is equal to 0. X square, sum of the roots is root of 6 divided by 2 into x plus product of the roots 1 by 4 is equal to 0. Take LCM, 4 is LCM. So 4x square minus 2 root 6x plus 1 is equal to 0. Sum number 8. Expand cos A plus B plus C. Hence prove that cos A cos B cos C is equal to sin A sin B cos C plus sin B sin C cos A plus sin C sin A cos B. A plus B plus C is equal to pi by 2. Adding 3 angles will be 90 degrees. Therefore it is a right angle triangle. Since A plus B plus C is equal to pi by 2. Taking cos on both sides, we get cos of A plus B plus C is equal to cos pi by 2 is equal to cos. We know that cos pi by 2 is 0. So cos of A plus B plus C is equal to 0. Now A plus B is 1 D plus A. So cos of D plus A is cos D cos C minus sin D sin C. Using the formula we get cos A plus B of cos C minus sin A plus B of sin C is equal to 0. Now cos A plus B expanding cos C cos B minus sin A sin B into cos C minus sin A plus B is sin A cos B plus cos C sin B into sin C is equal to 0. Now multiply cos C. In this bracket we get cos A cos B cos C minus sin A sin B cos C. Multiply sin C. The second bracket we have minus sin A sin C cos B minus cos sin B sin C cos A is equal to 0. Now first cos A cos B cos C, others right hand side, others goes to right hand side. We have sin A sin B sin cos C minus plus minus into plus plus sin A sin C cos B minus into plus sin B sin C cos C. This is the given result. Therefore sum number 9. Prove that 1 sin 45 degree plus theta minus sin 45 degree minus theta is equal to 2 root 2 sin theta. LHS is equal to sin first LHS equal to sin of 45 plus theta minus sin 45 minus theta. Next expanding sin 45 plus theta is sin 45 cos theta plus cos 45 sin theta minus expand sin 45 minus theta is sin 45 cos theta minus cos 45 sin theta. Now sin 45 is 1 by root 2 cos theta plus cos 45 is 1 by root 2 sin theta minus sin 40 is 1 by root 2 cos theta minus of minus positive cos 45 is 1 by root 2 sin theta. Okay. Now first and third are cancelled. We get sin theta divided by root 2 plus sin theta divided by root 2. So denominators are same, root 2. So LCM is root 2. Numerator sin theta plus sin theta is 2 sin theta. So this 2 can be written in the form of root into root 2. Root 2 into root 2 is 2. Therefore root 2 into root 2 sin theta divided by root 2. One root 2 is cancelled. We get root 2 sin theta is RHS. Sum number 10. If A of cos x plus y is equal to B of cos x minus y, so that A plus B tan x is equal to A minus B cot y. Let us take A cos x plus y is equal to B cos x minus y. A into a into expanding cos x plus y, cos x cos y minus sin x sin y into b is equal to b cos of x minus y. Cos x minus y expanding, we get cos x cos y plus sin x sin y. Now multiply this a. The first bracket a cos x cos y minus a sin x sin y is equal to multiply b in the second bracket b cos x cos y a plus b sin x sin y minus b of cos x cos y is equal to a plus b of sin x sin y. A minus b cos y divided by sin y is equal to a plus b sin x divided by cos x. So cos y by sin y is cot y, sin x by cos x is tan x. So a minus b cot y is equal to a plus b tan x. Question number 11. Prove that sin 105 degree plus cos 105 degree is equal to cos 45 degree. Cos 45 LHS is equal to sin 105 degree plus cos 105 degree is equal to sin 105 degree 60 plus 45 plus cos 105 cos of 60 plus 45. Now expanding sin a plus b formula, sin a cos b plus cos a sin b plus cos a sin a cos b plus a cos a sin b. The sin 60 cos 45 plus cos 60 sin 45. Cos a plus b formula using, we get cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. Here a is 60, b is 45, cos 60 cos 45 minus sin 60 sin 45. Sin 60 is root 3 by 2, cos 45 is 1 by root 2. Plus cos 60 is 1 by 2, sin 45 is 1 by root 2, plus 1 by cos 60 is 1 by 2, cos 45 is 1 by root 2, minus sin 60 is root 3 by 2 into sin 45 is 1 by root 2. Cancelling these two, first and last, we get middle and the next one. So 1 divided by 2 root 2 plus 1 divided by 2 root 2 is equal to the same denominator. So LCM is 2 root 2, numerator 1 plus 1, adding we get 2, 2 divided by 2 root 2, 2 to cancel 1 by root 2. So 1 by root 2 means in terms of cos 45 degree. So RHS is 4. Sin 75 degree minus sin 15 degree is equal to cos 105 degree plus cos 15 degree. First let us take LHS. Sin 75 degree minus sin 15 degree. Now sin 75 degree can be written in the form of 90 minus 15 degree, 75 degree, 15 degree as it is sin 15 degree. Now sin 90 minus theta is cos theta. We know that sin 90 minus theta is cos theta. Therefore sin 90 minus 15 is cos 15 degree minus is sin 15 degree. RHS, take RHS, cos 105 degree cos 15 plus cos 15 degree. Cos 105 degree is cos of 90 plus 15 degree plus cos of 15 degree. Cos 90 plus theta is minus sin theta. So in this case 15 is angle. Therefore minus sin 15 degree plus cos 15 degree is equal to cos 15 degree first, then minus sin 15 degree. This is equation number 2. From equation number 1 and 2 are same. Therefore LHS is equal to RHS. Today homework, EX number 3.4, sum number 2, 4, 6.6, subdivision number 3 and sum number 13. Any doubt? Reply the message. Thank you.